In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate a year-to-date, or YTD, rolling sum in Power BI. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to harness the full potential of their data and gain deeper insights into trends over time. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, let's start by opening Power BI. Whether you're using a Mac or a Windows device, you'll need to ensure that your software is up to date so that you can access the latest features and any recent improvements that might have been made to Power BI. Once the application launches, you'll be greeted by a welcoming dashboard or the home screen. From here, we'll jump straight into our task for today. Next, navigate to the Home tab. This tab is home to many essential features you'll frequently use when creating and managing your data visualizations. Look for the option to create a new measure. Creating a measure in Power BI is a powerful feature that allows you to perform calculations and data analysis across your datasets effectively. By clicking on it, you'll prompt a formula creation interface where you'll be entering some code in just a moment. Now comes the coding part. This step might sound daunting if you're not familiar with writing code, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. In the formula area that appears, you'll need to type in the DAX code required to calculate the YTD rolling sum. This code will compute running totals, allowing your visualizations to reflect accumulated data over time instead of just static point-in-time figures. It's a key technique for tracking how values build upon themselves through your fiscal year, offering a more dynamic insight into performance trends. While writing this code, make sure to pay close attention to syntax and spelling. DAX language is specific, and even a small error can lead to incorrect results or errors that can be difficult to troubleshoot. If you're unsure at any point, double-check against documentation or tutorials for syntax guides tailored to DAX formula writing. After entering the code, you'll want to validate and save your measure by pressing Enter. This prompts Power BI to compute the code you've input, effectively applying the YTD rolling sum calculation to your data model. Once complete, you can incorporate this measure into visualizations such as line or bar charts to see how your data accumulates over the year. Remember, the beauty of using Power BI lies in its interactive features, so you can always tweak and explore different perspectives on your data with ease. And there you have it, a YTD rolling sum calculated in Power BI. With these visuals, you'll be able to visualize trends over time and make informed business decisions. Practice with different data sets to get a good handle on these steps, and soon, calculating YTD sums will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has empowered you to use Power BI more effectively.